So for our audience that may not know what edge computing is, because this is the cutting edge of things that are taking place. With edge computing is new, even people in the business don't really seem to be able to understand it very well. So for those listening, what is edge computing?
Sure, sure. So what essentially happened is the cloud computing model evolved into a two-phase model, right? So earlier people used to have data centers. Now they have these public cloud providers. These public cloud providers have regional centers. These regional centers are spread across the US and other parts of the globe. Unfortunately, because let's say if you're an online service, your customers can be any part of the US. That doesn't necessarily mean they are very closely located to that regional center where this public cloud provider has an office, right? So the user can experience some latencies, some other application challenges. So what really happening is what these cloud guys are thinking, hey, now we have taken the cloud to the real cloud in the cloud, but now we need to bring the cloud closer to the user. So bringing the cloud closer to the user means you need to shrunk the data center within the public cloud to bring it much more closer to the user to give him a better experience. So that's all edge computing is about. Edge computing is about eventually providing a better access mechanism for the user in whichever location he is, so that he can have a better experience. So how do we make it happen? Basically, we need to bring both the compute network and the storage much more closer to where the user is, so that the application which runs on this environment can give a better experience to the user. So that's at a high level what edge computing is. But at a different note, what edge computing is also is customers who move to the cloud, but they would still have some workload that they can never move to the workload, but they want to see the benefits of the cloud scale within their own data center environment.